welcome to math lesson number 5. Today we are really focusing on tally marks. So make sure to go find your tally mark flashcards. They look like this. You need to cut them all out. And if you can't find the file, they're in the last few pages of the student template in the Seesaw activity. And you can ask your parents to print those out and then cut them up because you're going to need them for this activity. Just like last week, if you stay till the end of the video, you'll get a special surprise. Tally marks are all about the number 5. They help us learn how to see units of numbers as groups instead of always thinking of them as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and counting by ones. They help us to think of counting by 5s and then adding on by 1s if we don't have multiples of 5. So, to help us count by 5s with tally marks, I use a trick I learned from my friend Ms. D'Amico a long time ago. And I go like this. Start with my finger. So put your finger up and do this with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go back up to the top of the 1 and go down like you're going down a slide. 5. Then do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back up to the top and go 5. It's just sliding down. Given a number and trying to keep track, we can do that up here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back up to the top and go 5. But then as we go on, we say our 5 every time. It's like we're counting by 5s. Remember? 5, 10, 15. This is the same. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's just say we have like maybe 1, 2. That's okay. You don't have to finish every group of 5. When you are counting tally marks, you need to remember to count by groups of 5. It doesn't make sense to then count these all again because you already made the tallies. So instead, you can just put this circle in your mind. You don't have to circle them, but since I'm demonstrating, why not? So you're going to count this. If you want to count how many tallies are here, you're going to start with, say it with me, 5. And keep counting by 5s. 10. What comes next? 15. Now, I don't have another group of 5, so I can't keep counting by 5s, right? So I go 5, 10, 15, and then I count on by 1s. So put 15 in your head, 15, then go 16, 17. And that's how I know that this equals 17. 1 group of 10 and 7 ones. For the last part of this warm-up today, you are going to need something to make your own tally marks out of, an actual tangible thing that you can hold. In math language, we call that a math manipulative. You can either get a handful of craft sticks, or a little handful of toothpicks, or maybe some pretzel sticks. If you don't have any of those, just take a bunch of white paper and cut up a bunch of little white lines so they're about the same size. So go get ready for that right now. If you're all set with all of your sticks, we're going to do the warm-up together. So I'm going to show you a tally mark flashcard, and then I want you to make a picture of that using your sticks. Ready? Let me get warmed up. I'm going to see what I've got here. Set, go. You can pause the video while you make it. Ready for our next one? Go. Pause the video while you make it. But don't forget, don't mess it up. You gotta take a picture of it so you can upload it to Seesaw, to the first page. How many were those first 2? Did you get 4? And then 15? If you did, give yourself a little pat on the back. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, now make this one. Don't forget to take a photo of it so that you can put it on Seesaw, or just save them all and you could photograph them all when you're done. Okay, ready? Go ahead and make that. You can pause the video so you can make this exact representation with your sticks. Now I want you to keep playing. I think it's a really great idea to make a lot of these using your sticks. Don't forget to take some photos and put them in page 1 of your student template in the seesaw activity. But have your cards all cut up and have a grown-up or an older sibling help you flip them over. If you want, you could make them every time it's flipped over, or you can just say the number every time it's flipped over. So go ahead and at the end of this video, practice playing your Tally Mark flashcards game at home. Now that you're done with your Tally Mark flashcard game, go back to the activity in Seesaw. There is a 3-page template. The first page, you're going to upload some photos of all of the awesome Tally Mark representations you made using your math manipulative, either the sticks or the toothpicks or the pretzel sticks. And then there's 2 more pages. They're pretty quick. So you're just going to write in the number, or you're going to match the number to the tally marks. You'll be fine. And I know you're going to be able to do it. Have fun. All right. Now, once you're done, don't forget to do your happy dance. Yay!